Samrock6 here, and my friend
Roston.
Austin, not Roston.
I didn't say Roston,
Yeah, you
dumbass.
did. Okay, well, it's Austin. He's playing Slenderman for his first time. Hey, it's okay if you're scared.
I'm not scared.
You're scared!
No, I'm not.
Okay!
Don't yell at me. How do I run?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! No, not that shit. Just oh shit. With their cripple arm.
Shut up.
You know.
Oh, I can't see.
Oh, you gotta put headphones on.
Why?
It's scary with headphones.
No.
Mm-hmm. No fun. No, why are you fucking headphones? There you go. Put it in. Wrong ear. Here.
I can't plug it in while I'm playing.
Go that building.
Why?
Go.
I am.
Someone's not in there. But there's probably a note there. I scared your ass. Go in. Don't be shy.
I'm not.
Take the left. Yeah, go in there. He's not in here. Just go in and shit, man.
Shut up, bird.
Birdie! Go.
You wanna play?
Yes.
Screwed me out.
Hmm?
Screwed me out.
Hold on. Hold on. Killing this. Ow!
Ow!
Alright, where am I? That's scary. Any notes?
No, I don't see any pages. Go to that door.
There's probably notes over here.
Yeah.
Oh my god, he's right behind you! Oh my god, go! Shh!
Don't look behind you.
Oh, page!
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah, first page, bitch.
All we watch is noise.
Don't get it,
You hear that?
No.
It's because you don't have no damn headphones on, boy.
Oh, it's your fault.
It's your fault, actually.
It's your fault.
Where is he?
You're up my ass. That's why.
I'll beat that son of a bitch. No.
Don't look behind you. No, look at me. Does it just stand there or does it move?
Shh. I don't know where is it.
Just go in the woods. Why do you keep it tilted?
Because I'm small.
So. Can't freaking see.
Stop. Oh! He's right there.
Oh god. Yes, he was.
Put it in. Run him.
Wait. That? Keep it on. What? You're sitting.
Note.
What's that?
So no, we gotta get pages. Duh. I don't know where he's at though.
I wonder why we have to get pages.
I don't know.
I wonder if we could go in third person.
I wish. Oh God, not such a good time.
Huh?
Okay, I'm sorry about that, people. It was my friend Tyler who called.
Don't know why, but who cares?
No, Mr. Slenderman. I don't even see this little slender fuck.
Wish you had another chair.
I'm really scared in every single corner.
Really?
Yeah, it's free.
I know, it's creepy.
There's gotta be a lot. Yay! 3! I need 5 more.
To what, like beat the game?
No, it's not 5 more. There's not really an end to the game, really.
Really?
No. What's going here?
Damn it.
What are you doing?
It came out. I pulled it. It came out.
I saw that. You pulled
It, no, I didn't.
Where's the note? There's supposed to be a note in here. It's not here. And where's Mr. Slenderman? Mr. Slenderman over here. No, Mr. Slender.
Oh my god.
Keep going.
Oh god. Just some. Oh my god.
What? Run!
Oh, bitch, run. Oh, don't turn around.
Is that him?
Oh,
That
I
is
don't see him. I don't see him.
Okay, calm down now.
I'm acting like one of those guys that
I know, we need to chill. It's because I'm sprinting too long. You fucker, stop.
You did it to me.
I know. I want to get in this hole. I guess I can. There's the fence.
Let's go hop it.
I wish.
Yeah, let's put this on YouTube.
What?
Oh my god.
Is that the building? No, but it is a building. I told you.
Oh, smiley face.
Nope. Don't look where it takes you. 4 more, dude.
For what?
No. I collect all of them. I never collected all of them before.
Really?
No, I don't know. It's pretty weird. I don't see it.
Oh, we were at, where, those guys were.
Yeah. Any note on here? Any note? Note! 3 more. Whoa! Oh! No! Aw. Shit! Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks.
Please comment, rate, subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna upload some more World of Warcraft videos. Can't upload Minecraft because I don't have a Minecraft account no more. But
Because it's boring.
no, I just don't have it because someone hacked it like an asshole. But yeah. Bye.